Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, ninwan ramani, hakir dobiyeng jompi.
Definitely will become MLA, Marian. Okay.
Ka Presiden juga BJP Mahila Morcha, ka Vanathi Srini Vasan, haka arterik unaiweng arajar arpuar. Kelawan yuk kejat ang jela Meghalaya, bat banyak kendo ikinoilam juga BJP Meghalaya State Unit. Na kebentaban panjing tim, ha kabay day baka jing terikam juga BJP haka ni jela. Tang yuk kejat atem riboy, ka Srini Vasan, ka lalek rong shwa ningkong haka office terikam juga parti keberan ha Gladen Tower Nongpok. Bat ya kendo ru ya kinoilam juga parti kumsi bentaban penklan syuk ke BJP. Nak bentaban penkrea ke election jaka ying dorbat hawan juga jela. Kaban salong haus nem arajar arpulai. Ya kini keno yelam bahkli do jongka BJP. La penyang buram dak state sekretari ke BJP Meghalaya State Unit ke kong Marian Maring ringkat ke jing sakilang jongki wede keno yelam bat kinong kersian ke BJP Hariboy District.
Madam Banti Srinivasan, welcome you.
Sorry, I could not address you in your beautiful Kasi language. First of all, please excuse me for not coming in time because of my flight got delayed, and I'm very happy that even after such a long time, there are so many women who are all waiting for me. I am thankful to you and also the state unit, Mrs. Judy and Gita Serinji, and also the candidate. I think if we work hard, definitely will become MLA, Marian. Okay. And also our Kisan Morcha Vice President sir, and our Jilla Adhyaksh, Mahila Morcha. What is it? Plenty. Yes. See, Meghalaya is going for assembly election. And before that, I have attended one meeting in which lot of self-help group women and Anganwadi Asha workers, they were all attended. I was asking about some of the Modi ji scheme, but they were saying that they are not aware about that. They did not have the benefit about that. And when Bharatiya Janata Party is very strong and our Karikatas everywhere, then easily we can take up the schemes of the Honorable President. So for which our party has to be strengthened, our party has to be expanded. You know, when lot of Meghalaya people are working in Tamil Nadu, in Karnataka, and lot of IT industry, hospitality sectors, and in big aviation companies, there are a good number of Meghalaya people are working. But here you are having such a natural beauty and resources. And I came to know that not even you are not having a medical college for your students. And our Honorable PM is very keen on setting up a medical college in all the states. And in coming election, BJP is getting a good number of MLAs. We could able to bring a lot of changes in the life of the many people. Particularly for women opening up bank account, then giving free ration, free rice and wheat in the ration shops, and for self-help group the amount has been increased. Then Mudra loan is there, and for young girls for their own startup Startup India programs are there. And Meghalaya is having lot of tourism potential, and you need a good roads and good connectivity of flights, everything. So for which lot of northeast oriented development projects are happening under the BJP government. When that is being so for a long time, the northeast states have been not given proper importance by the previous government. Now the total scenario has been changed. In other states, when the central government is giving 60%, the state government has to give 40% for any government project. But here in northeastern states, central government is giving 90%, only 10% the state government has to give. Even if you are setting up any central government institution or AIMS or any medical colleges, 90% of the amount is being given by the central government to the northeastern states, not like other states. So you are having lot many advantages. There are a lot of new airports have been come in Northeast, and train connectivity has been started up. Now we are getting a good roads, and in future also the Northeast people, they should feel that they are also equally being respected in the country. So for which only a nationalistic party can have that kind of a vision. Only the nationalist party. It is not the Congress party has always, they have failed the people. Particularly for the backwardness of the northeastern states, the reason is the Congress party. They have not been attentive about the issues of the people of Northeast. So now a government under the leadership of Modi ji is very keen on developing the Northeast. And in fact, in every meeting, our PM is saying that instead of visiting all the foreign countries, whether it is in European countries or Malaysia or Singapore, our people, they must come to the Northeast states to see the beauty of the states. So our honorable PM is like an ambassador of Northeast states. He always tells about how you people, the organic farming is there, how the natural beauty of the Northeast states are there, how the tourism industry is picking up here. So to continue the development of the region, particularly the state of Meghalaya, the BJP party has to grow here. The BJP MLAs has to be more in number to take care of the interest of the Meghalaya people. As far as the Mahila Morcha is concerned, already I have assured Judy ji and Geeta ji, in coming days, whatever the Prime Minister's schemes are there, we as a national president, we are ready to help you. We are ready to support you. So whatever the schemes, whether it is a Sukanya Samriddhi for a girl children, whether it is opening of a bank account, getting the Mudra loan for the women entrepreneurs, we are ready to support you, provided you people are coming together under the organization of Bharatiya Janata Party.